Allstate Mobile is a finance app that promises to streamline your financial life. But is it really the best choice? Let's break down the 12 things you should know before deciding if it's the right app for you and see how it compares to others on the market. First off, Allstate Mobile offers a comprehensive set of features that's designed to keep your finances organized. You can access your accounts, track spending, and even pay bills all from the same place. It's similar to other well-known apps like Mint or YNAB, but how does it measure up? The second thing to consider is the user interface. Allstate Mobile's interface is clean and simple, which makes it easy to navigate, but it lacks the customization options that some competitors offer. Apps like Mint let you customize your dashboard to your liking, while Allstate keeps things more standardized. Next thing, Allstate Mobile integrates well with most major banks and credit card companies, allowing you to track your transactions in real time. While this is great for users with popular financial institutions, it's important to note that smaller banks or less common cards may not be supported, which is something Mint handles a bit better. The fourth thing you should know is about budgeting tools. Allstate Mobile lets you set budgets for different categories, but unlike some of its competitors, it doesn't offer advanced features like goal tracking or detailed expense categories. For those looking for something more in-depth, YNAB might be a better choice. Next up, Allstate Mobile has bill pay features that make it easier to keep track of your upcoming payments. You can set up reminders and automate payments, but it's not as advanced as other options like Prism, which offers more flexibility in managing multiple bills from one place. The sixth thing is its security. Allstate Mobile uses encryption and two-factor authentication to keep your data safe, which is in line with industry standards. However, some users have reported issues with account syncing, which can be frustrating if you rely heavily on real-time updates. The seventh thing is the mobile experience. Allstate Mobile works well on both iOS and Android devices, but some users have found that the iOS version is slightly more polished. It's nothing major, but something to keep in mind if you're looking for an app that works seamlessly across platforms. The eighth thing to know is its credit score monitoring. Allstate Mobile offers free credit score tracking, but unlike other apps like Credit Karma, it doesn't provide the same level of detailed insights into what's affecting your score. If that's important to you, you might want to look elsewhere. Next thing, Allstate Mobile provides a lot of free features, but some advanced tools require a paid subscription. If you're looking to unlock extra functionality, like financial reports or investment tracking, you'll need to upgrade. This is similar to other apps that offer freemium models, but the pricing is a bit higher than some alternatives. The 10th thing is about customer support. Allstate Mobile offers good support through email and chat, but it lacks phone support, which can be a deal breaker for those who prefer speaking directly with a representative. Competitors like Mint offer more ways to get in touch. The 11th thing to consider is the app's stability. While most users report that the app is reliable, there have been occasional glitches when syncing accounts or making transactions. These are typically fixed with updates, but it's something to keep in mind if you want a completely smooth experience. Finally, Allstate Mobile offers peace of mind through its connection to the Allstate brand, known for insurance and financial services. This can be reassuring for some users, but if you're looking for an app that's solely dedicated to personal finance, you might find other options more specialized and tailored to your needs. So, is Allstate Mobile a good choice? It's definitely a solid option for users who want something simple and secure, but if you're after a more feature-packed experience with better budgeting tools or bill management, you might want to check out other solutions. And if you're looking for a great free option to try, check out our recommended solution that could be a better fit for your needs.